So in this video we're going to find the determinant of these two matrices. This one's a 2 by 2, this one 3 by 3. Now this one is obviously the more simpler technique to use, but the technique in this one is also used in this one, so it's good to know this one first. So let's make a start on this one first. So determinant of A, so that is worked out by this particular formula. So what we'll do is we'll letter each one of the units inside there. We'll call it A1, A2, and then B1, B2. And then what we do is we draw a little cross in the middle. And what we do is now we multiply the crosses on the diagonals. So A1 times B2, so determinant equals lowercase a, A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. Now what we're going to do now is plug those formulas into this one to find the determinant of this matrix. So A1 times B2, that's 2 times 1. So it's 2 times 1 minus A2 times B1, 4 times minus 3. So simplifying this up, it's 2 minus 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. 2 minus minus 12 is 14. And there we have it. That's the determinant of this one.